This next couple of short pieces are sort of meditations, and the first one's called All is One, and it kind of speaks for itself really, in the sense that we're all connected, consciousness, energies, particles, frequencies, vibrations, we're all connected to the universe in every single way. So all is one sort of sums it up really in a way. So this is called All is One. Thank you. This last one is also a bit of a meditative one. It's I did call it actually Woodland Waters, but I've decided to change the name to In the Stillness, Nature Speaks. And we've had a lot of rain recently, and if you get out into the woods at the moment, you'll see lots of little puddles and ponds around that have sort of formed from the rainfall. And if you walk up to those and you stand there in the stillness for a moment, and you just let your senses just calm down, you think that nothing is going on, but in fact a lot is going on. All of a sudden you see insects just sort of aquaplaning across the surface of the water. Birds arrive to take a drink. Leaves come off the trees and drop onto the water and spin around like lost rafts before they sink into the sediment. the wildflowers and plants around the pond enjoy and take advantage of the water that's nearby. Little oxygen bubbles just rise to the top and burst. So just think about that. It's called Woodland Waters. Thanks for listening. Thank you.